Hey folks, in the meeting today I mentioned sharing Canvas activities with each other, and if you want to share with someone, this is an assignment. I don't think it works for every type of activity, but at least for a few it will. And inside the activity you can find the three dots. If you click on here, it gives you the option to share to Commons or to send directly to somebody. So if you share it in the Commons, then other people can find it. If you just want to send it directly to one of your coworkers, you can click here, Send To. And if I wanted to send this to Christine, for example, I sent one to Christine before. Oops. If I just start typing her name, I should get some options that pop up. None of those are the person I'm looking for. Here we go. And so I can send that directly to Christine. If I click send, then when she opens up Canvas, she'll see a blue number, like number 1 up here, saying that, basically check to see what's going on. And when she clicks on it, it'll say that that I shared an activity with her. So it's really quick and an immediate way for you to share with people, and if you're in the same level, it might be a nice way to save time. All right, good luck.